Guest of honor, sir. This afternoon, we are here to witness the conclusion of International Humanitarian Law and Human Rights Law course. This is the first intake, comprising of officers, mostly non-lawyers. The selection of this category was intentional, several of them being from training schools and human resource departments. The purpose is capacity building to equip them with the knowledge in the law of armed conflict and incidental laws that they will impact on the trainees when they return to their units. The training is guided by the requirement of International Humanitarian Law and the directive of the Uganda Peoples Defence Forces 206 for the leadership to ensure that forces are trained on the law of armed conflict. The Legal Training Center is continuously conducting courses to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the Uganda Peoples Defence Forces personnel in quest for knowledge in the law in order to address the various needs as they arise. The training was ably conducted by a team of committed directing staff from the Legal Training Center and key facilitators from the civil community. Therefore, I believe it is believed that the training has addressed the issues pertaining international humanitarian law and human rights law. Now this is to you. Now you've become colleagues. You're no longer participants. Please practice the knowledge you have acquired and share with others. Participate in unit trainings in order to increase respect for international humanitarian law and human rights law. Incidentally, international humanitarian law and human rights law training should not be seen as a barren operation, but part and parcel of the information required by the commander in his command of the troops in order to allow successful operation and therefore overall mission. Therefore, IHL, which is International Humanitarian Law, training is key. I thank you, sir, for accepting to come and officiate the conclusion of this notable training.
I'm greatly humbled for have a singular duty to represent the Joint Staff Legal Services Brigadier General Moses Wandera, formerly anything to do with international humanitarian law and human rights law was a monopoly of the legal staff. Nobody else would have anything to do with it. But it is good that now the window is being opened and widened. At the time it's back, slots were very few and limited. Every year, we would wait for sponsorship from the US government. I promised the US in 2005 to go and do, because we've done it. But thank God that we are now doing it ourselves. And the cost done in the US, if it is transferred here, it has a lot of gist. Why? The directing staff, the support staff are done on earth. They give you our examples. As a lawyer, as an advocate, as a seasoned legal officer, I have no doubt that you are going to believe. The majority, if not all of you, are younger. And younger people, according to me, not records. Who have been told to go and teach others. International humanitarian law, human rights law is essential. They two work together like the black and white keys of the piano. UPDF is a pro-people army. And whatever we do it in the national interest. which national interest means people. So whatever you do must be pro people. So if, with the permission of the commander, when we ask for definition, which it is human face. Whatever you do it with, the human face. Humanity. Human rights are not given by government. No, they're not even given by government. They're just protected by government. So I thank you very much, comrades, now for successfully accomplishing this course.
The knowledge exhibited in class was excellent. That emerged.
On